Welcome, everybody. Network error. That's no good. That's no good. You're right, Aaron. That's no good. You're right, Aaron. Oh, yeah, that's a good tested delay. Okay. Yo, that just works. So if I click this, yo, hype. Oh, my name is a lowercase down there. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna flip it. Oops. I'm gonna flip it this way, and we're gonna hard drop it down there. Yo, what's up, Zario? But oh, the fact that that works. Not much. I'm on mobile. Yeah, I don't think this will work on mobile, but you can try. Let me give you some cash. Sorry, 4. Oh, wait a second. Why does my name Blue Rikoroo in lowercase? Oh, why is there 2 of me with the same amount of monies? Alright, whatever. Zario 4. And then what do we do here? 0 test. I give you 100 brownie points. Uh-oh.
Nora said Zario. Nice.
I need to put an exclamation mark before my command. Is there a command to check them? Check what? The points? No, not really.
Nora said Zario. Is there a command to check them?
No. Also, why did this not continue?
Nora said Zario. Okay.
The only thing you can really check is the name, the symbol above your character's name. And in fact, I don't know if I could create a way to check it because it's stored internally on the overlay itself. So I don't know.
Nora said Zario. I'm supposed to
Yeah,
click
yeah.
on the screen.
Click on that box that's right under me. Where's my...
Nora said Zario. Okay.
Yeah, I figured it wouldn't work on mobile.
Doesn't work on mobile.
Seeing as it's
Nora said Zario.
essentially a
Turn on my
web page extension, I don't think mobile supports that. What am I looking for? I'm looking for something. Here it is. Let's get a load of this. I can just change overlays on the fly. Be like, let me switch it back to. It's time for a spooky game.
Nora said Zario. I.
Or maybe
Nice.
I want. Oh, all the black colors apparently. This one I can adjust the color by moving my mouse around. Bop. And then we've got the little tiny border, which also is color adjusted based on mouse position. And what's cool is I can make it a little thicker. I do kind of like the little thicker mode. But if I'm really feeling spicy, mega thickness. And if I'm really being a memester, help! I'm in a box. Mega meme mode.
Nora said Zario. LUL.
That was cool. Oh, I guess the game just stays on there even if it's on a overlay that's not. Doesn't need a game. Still stuff to work on, but I wanted to test it out so far, see what people think. Ugh. Mostly just see if the clicky click interactions worked, and so far it does. I mean, look at that. I clicked it from Twitch. I clicked it on my screen. I wish I could remove this thing that's just covering. Is there any way to remove the, the box? What happens if I full screen it? It's a little less annoying if I full screen it. The other option is I move my face and the game to the left side of the screen. That way that box isn't there. Oh, it's gone now. I don't know what I did.
Said Zario. I am on computer now.
Oh, I see. It just kind of goes away after a while? Oh, it does. No, it's back.
Nora said Zario. I was clicking. I don't know IG that did anything.
Anything. Well, it looks like you opened up the Cordiana again. Now that's interesting. It spawned you with a different person. So that's something to fix. Why is the username here different than the username that it spawns? And there we go. Zario blazes his first piece.
Nora said Zario. Interesting.
Is there any way to move this thing? Oh, this one's me, I think. Where do we want to place this?
Nora said Zerio, nice, I am getting the hang of this.
There's nowhere good for this piece. I'm just gonna put it in the corner and call it a day. Zoom it all the way down there. Hard drop it. Then I got another bad piece that doesn't fit anywhere. Oops. I'm trying to give it a rotate and then you cannot double click it. Twitch like full screens it. Okay, so one thing I need to add is a current player and like a next player, I think. Okay. You got the plus sign. Okay, this is annoying me that this little icon is here. Twitch. Extension overlay button. Okay, we've almost got a single lined up here. Oh no. Okay, actually this will work out. Okay. Now we just need something to fill that hole there. I thought that was gonna be perfect. No. Yeah, that could go there. Little tidbits of information. As you saw, clicking rotates it. If you click above, it technically rotates it counterclockwise, and clicking below rotates it clockwise. And of course, if you put your mouse on the lower end, it'll go faster. Did I just get really
Nora
good
said
piece?
Zerio, cool.
It'll go fast, and if you go really far down, it'll hard drop it. Single! We got a single.
Nora said Zerio, nice.
Right. Okay, so one thing I gotta figure out is why is it lowercasing your guys' names here and not prior to that? So let's
Zerio4 cheered 5 bits. Zerio4 is the new cheer king with 5 bits. Nora said Zerio, cheer 5.
Thanks. I need to here. Let me do stream TTS and then disable my TTS on. Never. There we go. That'll fix that. Okay. So since no one's played in a little bit. I appreciate you, man. So we've already found a bug though. It's the nameplate thing, right? So whenever you send a message, it goes through this, and this goes, yes, your notification is a message, and so it gets the username from that message, gets a user object, and there it is. So what this is telling me is that hold on. I need to look really closely at this. So the one that became the cheer king was Zario4 lowercase. But the one that I gave 100 to is Zario4 uppercase? Is that a thing? Is that because I put uppercase here? Okay, so now you have 165. Pretending like you gave me 100 bits. So I think, I don't know. Why is it lowercase? That's what I want to know. I think that has to do with the way, yeah, I'm rich. I think that's the way Nora sends it. Wait, hold on. Test. Cancel this. I'd like it to send the way it looks on Twitch. Oh well, I don't think it matters too much. I think that's just because I was playing with it. Yeah, because I think the uppercase one is not real. And it's only because I put in Zario4 in uppercase in the testing thing. Yeah, that is interesting. And I can't explain that. I can't explain why it does both. Let's go ahead and restart the overlay, and that'll kind of fix it, essentially. I can put this somewhere else. So now when you talk, I can't see it from here. Wait. Okay. So now it's showing the uppercase version, so I'm a little bit weirded out. Okay, so I'm gonna say test. What character am I? I'm gonna be a shadow dude coming around in a second here. I am uppercase B, lowercase everything else. So that's my capitalizations thing going through. I'm like, since usernames, even uppercase or lowercase, can't be duplicated. Like no one else could be called Blue Rikoroo, even if it's different case. So I guess it's my Nora code that's uppercasing the first letter, lowercasing everything else. Sending that over. So then question, when you click on the game and then deposit 10 more coins to drop a piece. Can you do that right now? Or I can do that too. I don't know why I'm asking you. I could do that and then click. Okay, so it spawns in a new dude. Oh, and I just hard dropped an M. Oh. Okay. So that spawns in a new dude with all lowercase. So that is an error. We need to find that. Okay, so coordinate username probably is it. So if I go into Nora now, because I bet you the name, it's getting the name from the coordinate. Let's go into Nora, setting, no, open Nora. And we'll go to the Twitch Flask stuff and just hope nothing sensitive gets shown here. Right here is the username. So what we're gonna do is do dot capitalize, I think. I don't know. Let's look it up real quick. Python capitalize. String dot capitalize. It is text dot capitalize, and I spelled it correctly. Okay. So let's see if this fixes it. I'm gonna open up Nora. I'm gonna put this to the side because that might have sensitive info when I restart it. Okay. Warning. Nora is shutting down. I am shutting Nora down. Don't do anything. Hiya. Nora is shut down. No, she's not. She's trying her hardest. Oh, shoot. Data structure with index does not exist. If DS math exists, notifications. Well, I know why that happened. If JSON... Well, I kind of know why that happened. Data structure does not exist. Well, let's try this. If... we'll just put a big try block over everything. That usually solves crap, right? We'll put a try oops, that's not how that works. Oof. That's Python. Try catch E. And we're just gonna show debug message E. That way errors never happen again. Oh, my battery is low. Alright. Alright. TT. Oh, come back. Stream TTS so I can hear you guys. Boom. Alright, so now let's try this again. I'm gonna send a chat message. I'm gonna, hello, it's me. Test. It's me. I'm gonna change the outline color. Green. Yes, battery from my headphones. It's going burp burp. Like, I'm really low on battery. Help me. Okay. I am now corded man. Okay, and now when we click... Oops, that's not Twitch. That's OBS. So now when we click, hopefully it works. It does work. I fixed it. And I see a good spot for this M, so I'm gonna go for that. Oops. Actually, that gave me a better idea. I'm gonna go here. A hard drop this baby. Am I lined up? I am lined up. I think this is a good spot. I'd like to see some like Tetris professional come around here and try to master this monstrosity. Okay, while you're dropping your piece, I'm gonna code in. This is the console of all the notifications I'm getting, essentially. Mouse move, mouse move, mouse move, mouse move, mouse move. Okay. Oh god, that's gonna be so horrific. Noink. Okay. So, in games, Goliath. Where should this even be? Like maybe right here above it, like currently playing Zario. You think under the score, you think? So if I have a score here, I could go like players. If active piece does not equal none, draw text, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Current player. And it would be, I happen to know it is active piece 1. And maybe if piece order, if the DS list count length size, yes, okay. If the size of that is greater than 0, then draw text 4090. Next player string. I don't need this to be a string. It's already a string. It would be piece order. First one in the list and same one here. Let's give that a shot. Twitch. Click on a game to play. Goliath! Current player, Blue Rikoroo. Unfortunately, the next player is gonna overlap. Yeah. I could move everything down. I don't know how much of a hassle that's gonna be though. Do you think it's worth moving everything down to have the second player showing up like that? Where's my music and why is it not auto playing? Probably was and just something went wrong. What? How did I get here? How did I go from my playlist to that? Yonk. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Let's see. Well, to move everything down, let's just say I'm moving it down by 20. Yeah, for sure. And to make it a little nicer, we could just say current to next. That'll help a little. Key next? Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. No, I'm just confused. Wait, why is there background on my overlay? Huh? Why is my overlay smaller? Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. I was very confused. Okay. Okay. So if I move Rikoroo down, will that be enough room? Yeah, it'll be enough room. I could just cheat a little bit and move Rikoroo up a bit and just put it between here and just call it a day. Like if I did... Like, see, that fits. And I don't have to mess with anything. Hey, actually, hi, yeah. Oh! I'm hydrated. Okay, so it do be working. I'm pretty happy about that. Let's test some other things. So if I do this cheer sub, let's say blue Rikoroo subs. Oh yeah, I forgot about the dragging mouse thing. Haven't done that yet. Now I'm confused. Did I do it on this thing? Oh. What did I do? The sub statue. I don't think did I even make code for this? Yes. Alright. I know I added a thing where it's like when you sub, it does something. It doesn't affect. I'm trying to remember how you activate it. Program updates collisions. I know I coded it. I just don't know where I actually did, and I think I need to activate it or something. Let's go to main. Let's go to mouse. Huh? Oh. Don't need you. I didn't hear a cow, so I don't know what you're talking about. Switch coordinates. Mouse event. So yeah, here it is. Sub statue. User to sub statue username. Okay. So this probably doesn't work anymore because of capitalization. I need to subscribe like this. So now this statue, if I click on it, do something. Did it just disappear? Okay, let's see what is actually happening. It gone forever. Okay, so this was something I was going to do later. It's this part here. If there's a collision point, let's redo this. Hopefully it does the subscribe again. It did not. I subscribed. Taste. Okay, so I have a sub statue now, and I have a character with the same name, and I should be able to click on it. Yeah, I did notice, and I think I know why. And it's gone! Why? What is causing your deletion, substatue? Why you delete? Instance destroy. Element switcher makes sense. I am not sure why it got destroyed. Let's test one thing real quick. This never happened apparently, so let's put it up there. because that should always happen every time I click. Test mouse. Right, so it went off, it's good, right? And now we put it down here so it doesn't happen all the time. And we're gonna spawn in another one of the sub-statues. So now it's there. It kind of flew off. It's not like building velocity or anything, right? Okay. Okay, this'll be a little easier if I do show. Weird. Okay, so if collision substatue goes collision point xy, xy being x of, so this is mouse event. Mouse event should always be happening with the mouse object, which makes sense. So the mouse objects x and y. Where am I? The mouse objects x and y plus the view of the camera, which just makes sense. And we're seeing if there's a collision point to the substatue. This in turn returns the instance ID, assuming it found anything. So it should be doing something at least. Oh, okay, I did something there. Why it was so low, I don't know. Let's check. Object substatue. It's got a collision box that looks like this. Kind of makes sense. Edit sprite? Yes. Whereas its actual visuals is that. Okay. Anyways. We've got that. So what's going on here? It does the thing, picks a color, gets the user, gets the element again. Why is it creating a new player? It shouldn't be creating a new player. But either way, it did do the thing this time. Just really low. What that's telling me is I need to make the collision box a little better. Okay. So let's fix that. This is not drawing based on image X scales and Y scales, so I can just do image y scale equals how about 4? And just pray that that's all right. Got Whoa! Okay. So now it extends up to here, which is fine. I'm fine with that. Okay. But why is there... Draw sprite. You don't need to draw self. Anymore, right? Right? You don't need to draw self. Oh, is it really already gone? Yoink. You do need to draw self. Well, what you're gonna do... How did you draw self so accurately but not accurately before? So instead of draw self, we'll do draw sprite. Sprite index 0xy. That should draw the sprite how it's meant to look, and we'll be all fine and dandy. Did it really already get garb? Yes. It's also what we call images in stuff like GameMaker. Okay, so now it looks good. It's still going to a different user. Oh, but that's just because I'm doing this in a weird testing instance. If I do it from Twitch chat, let's go over to Twitch, and now I click on the statue. It goes to the right, blue Rikoroo. Okay, cool. So if I do a bunch of these, it should drop a bunch. Well, that one almost went off the screen. Oh, they're all gonna be the same because I'm nature. I'm silly. Oh, wait, if I go... what is it? Fire! I should change it to fire element, right? That's how that works. Is it really not how it works? It's just a bunch of nature elements, statues over here. Did I even code it in where you can switch elements yet? I feel like I did. Whoa, I forgot you can do that. Main. Shut up, everybody. And by that I mean me. Okay, I did not do the switching elements yet. Okay, I'll do that another time. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, oh, I guess I could do Zario's Earth right now. So if I do Zario 4, that should do a different thing. Yeah, now we can switch between Earth and nature. See, that's kind of cool. No. It is neat. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll show you one last thing, which is if I click this button, we can go to a different terrain. It's like a different part of the map. Or I can make us go. Oh, hold on. Nice, D. Thanks. I gotta wait for all of our dudes to come over. Let's make sure we turn off the show. The dudes don't really like rocky terrain, they kind of get stuck on it. And another cool thing I'd say is I can load in different maps, essentially. Oh, there we go. I loaded on a map that doesn't exist. Oh, there we go again. Okay. Boop. And then this is a editor. I can put in. I forget how I rotate. What is? Oh no. I catch you guys. Oh, is that button? Yeah, why did I put it on E? So essentially what happens here is I can essentially design the terrain. I'll do that. And is it shift? It's one of these things. Maybe S. There we go, save. So I could give it a name, test map. And then I can bind it to a number, so 102. So now, if I get out of here, I can load map 102. Boom. And then there's that map we were just editing. I'm so hyped that I can do this crap now. This overlay has come a long ways. Oops, not that one. There we go. Burp. Alright, you ready for me to end it off with something wacky? In the rare instance that I get a raid, let's say it's a Zario 4 raid. Oh. Welcome, all the new Zario 4 Raiders. Welcome. Essentially like that. It just keeps going. It does look like it's affecting the resolution a bit. I think my computer's slowing down a bit. My computer is... Uh-oh, wait a second. Did I remove the limit? Does it just keep going now? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I removed the limit. Oh no, never mind. That's really just what 100 of people looks like. No, that's just what 100 dudes looks like. Oh, I put 1,000 dudes. That's why. Oh man. Okay. Proof though that I need a quick button to turn off names, which is really easy because I've already implemented it. I just need to make a button to like actually do it. Okay, and then last, we'll do... What happens if someone cheers, like, a bazillion things? Uh, 100,000 bits. The computer just starts chugging. I mean, to be fair, that's like 1,000 entities that it's spawning. Oh, every second or so. But you know what? If someone ever donated that much money, they deserve some cool laggy effect like this. I say. I think it's kind of cool, to be honest. Ugh. Well, it doesn't like crash my computer or anything. It just makes it overly lag. And you'll notice as time goes on, it's gonna kind of clear itself up because a lot of the money turns into higher versions of itself. You can see it kind of combining. There we go. It's already speeding up. But the fact that it's spawning 100,000 of these coins is insanity. And props to Game Maker for being so well optimized that, like if I had put in 10,000, it would have had no issue. I just gave it a unreasonably large amount. Yeah, it's about 50% speed now. It's getting there. Hey, Fire. We're on our way out, but I was just showing some insane... like, if this happened, this is how bad my stream overlay would lag kind of stuff. Oh, there. Now it's clearing up. So now it's getting back to normal speed. It's so weird. When it gets back to normal speed, my mind's like, wow, it's going really fast. Like, abnormally fast, even though it's not. That's just like the normal speed. Hey, Fire! Since you're new to the stream, assuming you're on desktop, you can click on my stream. Click this button below. Where it says Koryono. you can physically click on my stream overlay to interact with things. That's the kind of stuff we're doing right now. If they can read it. Yeah, I made it moving that to the left just because I hate the box being in the way. My resolution seems fine. Oh no, ads, no! Okay, well, I guess Fire got out of here. Well, he could. Alright, well that's all I really wanted to test for the overlay. Thanks, Zarya, for stopping by. I appreciate you. You really did help me test it out pretty good. And hey, we fixed some bugs. I'm pretty hyped. I've got a few more things to add, such as moving the sub statues around by dragging your mouse. And what else was I adding? I could add some more games, but I think I'll leave that for another time. I probably will. Like, I've got room to just like stack games. So yeah, it must have been your internet doing something wacky. Anyways, I think it's essentially ready. There's just a few more things, like the sub statue stuff, and some special effects for the subs to be able to click on. And maybe the Patreon March. I don't know if I'll get that in time, but we'll see. That's more of a, I get enough money to pay somebody, pay my favorite artist to work more on it. Alrighty, well, I'll catch you guys around. Bye-bye!